this looks absolutely incredible.
I completely agree with you. I love this view from up here.
忙碌的一天终于过去了 The busy day is finally over 疲惫的城市灯光变暗了 The tired city, the lights are growing dim 走进这书店，靠在你身边 Walking into this bookstore, standing by your side 戴上同个耳机，世界变安全 Sharing the same headphones, the world becomes safe 不需要言语，我懂你的累 No need for words, I understand your tiredness 有你在身旁，我不寂寞了 With you by my side, I am not lonely anymore Lost in the city, but I'm safe with you 外面的世界总是太吵闹 The world outside is always too loud Lost in the city, what are we gonna do 留在这角落，听你的心跳 Staying in this corner, listening to your heartbeat 有你的深夜就是我的家 With you in the midnight Here is my home 你翻着书页靠着我肩膀 You turn the pages leaning on my shoulder 那黄色的光照在你脸上 The warm yellow light shines on your face 手牵着手感受这份平静 Hand in hand feeling this peace 这是属于我们温柔的奇迹 This is our own gentle miracle Lost in the city but I'm safe with you 外面的世界总是太吵闹 The world outside is always too loud Lost in the city, what are we gonna do 留在这角落，听你的心跳 Staying in this corner, listening to your heartbeat 有你的深夜就是我的家 With you in the midnight Here is my home 纸扎的香味伴着你呼吸 The smell of pages breathing with you 未来的日子我会守護你 In the days to come I will protect you 这首療癒的歌曲為你而唱 This cozy song I only sing for you 只要看着你我就充滿力量 Just looking at you I am full of strength Lost in the city but I'm safe with you 外面的世界总是太吵闹 The world outside is always too loud Lost in the city, what are we gonna do 留在这角落，听你的心跳 Staying in this corner, listening to your heartbeat 有你的深夜就是我的家